Hello, Hannah Jones here, and I will be explaining my example of how to use and incorporate technology within assessment. What I have decided is to use my first grade math assessment. This is just an assessment to help me see where my students are at with understanding measuring time. So the standard that we're working on right now in first grade is measuring, and that includes measuring with regular objects as well as measuring time. So we're learning about the hour and the minute hand and all of that stuff. And so I thought a fun way to incorporate technology for a first grade level that's like age appropriate and something that they can really handle is to use a QR code. We have a class set of iPads, and basically what the students are going to do is they're going to take an iPad and they're going to put the camera up to the QR code around the room. They're going to be all around the room. They're going to work with a partner and they'll put it up and then they'll click the link, and the link will have a Google slide that I've created with a different clock. Each one has a different clock. So they will have a worksheet that is very simple. It just says what time is it with their name, and then there's 7 spots for them to write the time right here. And then here's the QR code. So these are going to be all around the classroom. And then what you'll do is, I'll use my phone as an example. They'll have their iPad. So all you do is you put the camera up to the QR code, and then you'll see it says like a link at the top right there. So you click the link, and then what will show up is my Google Slides that I have made open. So I'll link this to my blog so you can see each one. But this one says, what time is it? And then I don't know if you can see the clock, but it says it's exactly 4 o'clock. So what they'll do is, this one's number 1. So they'll go to their worksheet, go to number 1, and write 4 o'clock right there. And then the rubric that I have, well, then they'll go to the next one. And so after that. It can go out of order, so that's why I put the numbers on there, so that if they go from number 3 to number 7 to number 2, they just know where each number goes, and it's just a fun activity that gets them moving, and they're also showing their understanding. So my rubric has 4 different criteria, so accuracy, understanding, technological comfortability, and teamwork. So I'm hoping that they get 6 to 7 problems complete and correct. They completely understand each question and can explain their thinking and their answers. They're able to use the iPad and the QR code to find questions independently. So they understand to put the camera up to the QR code and click the link. It's very simple, something that helps them get more used to iPads. It's just a fun, different way to do it. And then also with teamwork, so they will be working in teams and sharing iPads, so cooperating and working with teammates to answer questions. So that is my expectation for my students, but I'm really excited about this activity. I'm hoping they really enjoy it, and it's very engaging, and it's a great way to just gauge where they're at with clocks and with their understanding of measuring time. So I hope you enjoy this resource. Like I said, I'll click the link so you can be on my Google file for this. So I have all the QR codes as well as the worksheet and my rubric for it.